In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Mailchimp's content optimizer for higher email open rates. If you're looking to enhance your email marketing performance, you've come to the right place. The content optimizer is a powerful tool that helps refine your emails to ensure they are as effective as possible. First, you'll need to access the content optimizer. To get started, log into your Mailchimp account. Once you're logged in, navigate over to the Campaigns tab. Here, you'll have the option to select an existing email campaign, or if you're feeling creative, you can create a new one from scratch. Once inside the email editor, you'll find the content optimizer on the left-hand side. This is where the magic happens. With the content optimizer, Mailchimp takes a close look at your email components. This includes your subject line, preview text, body content, and even your design. The optimizer then uses best practices and data-driven insights to provide you with suggestions. Let's break down what this means for each element. Starting with the subject line is crucial because it can significantly impact whether or not your email is opened. The content optimizer evaluates your subject lines, providing insights on how to make them more engaging, clearer, and emotionally appealing. These small tweaks can make a big difference in catching your audience's eye. Next, there's the preview text. This small snippet appears next to your subject line in the inbox and can either entice your readers to open or let them scroll right past. The content optimizer helps you craft a compelling preview text that complements the subject line and intrigues the reader. Then we have the content and structure of your email. The optimizer checks for readability. This includes sentence length and overall tone. This is to ensure your message is not only clear but also compelling, guiding your reader seamlessly through your content. Visual elements are just as important. The optimizer provides recommendations on your images, CTAs, and overall design elements, improving user engagement with better visuals and layout. Once you've reviewed the suggestions, it's time to put them into action. Adjust your subject line as suggested, refine that preview text, or simplify your layout for enhanced clarity. Try different variations to see which resonates best with your audience. Finally, once your email is out in the world, head over to the Reports tab. Here you'll track your open rates and engagement metrics. Monitoring these will offer insights into what works best for your audience, helping you refine your approach for future campaigns. And there you have it. Utilizing the content optimizer can be a game changer in your email marketing strategy, boosting open rates and engagement. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope you find these tips useful in crafting emails that truly connect.